friends, this is VLSI Design. Now we are going to discuss about combinational mass logic circuits presented by Subhash Ramani Devi. This is the Unit 2 combinational mass logic circuit in the VLSI. After completion of the combinational logic circuits, students will be able to explain the bubble bushing, draw XOR gate and XNOR gate using transmission gates XOR gates. Then, first of all, we are going to see about the circuit families. In the circuit families, we are having classified into two, that is static and dynamic. It's nothing but static means we are giving the same input is given both PMOS as well as NMOS means it is called static. In the static, we are having the fixed values. In these values depend upon the design of transistor. That layout structure we are having some fixed values, that is 1 and 2 for calculation of transistors values. Then dynamic. What is meant by dynamic? Dynamic is nothing but it's having different inputs in the both PMOS and NMOS. Here we are having A is one input and pi is one input. Pi is given to PMOS and A is given to NMOS. These are two inputs given to PMOS as well as NMOS. Then it is called dynamic structure. Then dynamic structure both are in different inputs, so we are having different values in the PMOS as well as NMOS circuit. Then pull up and pull down network. In the circuit, normally we are in the CMOS implementation. Above the pull up output network, we are having the pull up network. Below the pull down network is called the pull down network. Below the output line, we are having the pull down network. In the pull-up network, we are only present in the PMOS output. In the pulled-out network, we are having only the NMOS output. PMOS is always present in the pulled-up network and the NMOS is always present in the pull-down network. Then, series and parallel connections are shown here. Is a series between the A dot B means we are having the AND operation, so it will have series in the circuit. Here show the parallel circuit, that means A plus B means plus operation is shown here, so NMOS is connected in parallel connection. Here shows the both are in the NMOS circuits. If suppose we are using PMOS means PMOS is shown in the dot product means parallel connection, as well as in the PMOS circuit is connected in the shown in the figure means in the series connection. Then bubble pushing. Bubble pushing is nothing but and OR operation must be built from NAND gate as well as NOR gates. De Morgan's law helps in the conversion. Here we are having the bubble pushing operation. Two input NOR gate is shown here. This input is shown to equal to using the AND gate implementation. If the bubble pushing the OR gate, this is an OR gate, two input NOR gate is shown here. This two input NOR gate is replaced by one AND gate. AND gate is here NOR gate, so NOT operation is present. If NOT is presented means in the bubble pushing NOT is does not present in the session, and before that the input is having two bubbles in the input session. At the same time, in the non-NAND gate is replaced by OR gate. That OR gate here NOT is present, so in the bubble pushing that NOT is now present in the output session, and then input session we are having two bubbles in the input session. Then Here AND is present. This AND is replaced by one NOR gate. Here NOR, here AND is present. Here does not appear the NOT gate. So translation process here having the NOT operation, and in the input session we are having the bubbles in the input session. At the same as well as same as OR gate is translated into the replaced by AND gate. In this AND gate is also output session we are having the NOT operation and the bubbles in the input session. These are the bubble pushing operations. Next up, we are having the compound gates. Just we are having NOT gate implementation as well as some operations is shown in here. First of all, going to see the NOT gate operation. That NOT gate is replaced by CMOS implementation. That CMOS having the one PMOS as well as NMOS. Already we know that values 2 and 1 for PMOS as well as NMOS. How to calculate these values? Here these values are calculated. Here input session gate A. Gate A is having two input 2 and 1. So totally 3. 3 divided by denominator always having the 3. How that value is given is 2 plus 3. That's the same values having both all the transistors. So 3 by 3. Here P means it will have the output session. Output also connected both the transistors. That's why 2 plus 1 3 divided by 3. Here we are implement this operation is replaced by this expression is implemented the CMOS implementation. Here gate A is having the 2. Here pull down network is having 2 value. Here 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 divided by 3. Then gate B means here PMOS is having 4 as well as NMOS is having 2. So 4 plus 2 6 by 12 C 3. In the C network, the C transistor we are having 2 4 and then NMOS is having 1. 4 plus 1 5 divided by 3. In the output session we are having connected the 4 transistor and the C value here A and 1. These 3 are connected in the output line. So 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 divided by 3. Here is also shown in here. Some expression is implemented. Please work out the examples. Then quick question about the combinational MOS logic circuit. How to change OR gate into two input NAND using bubble pushing technique. Thank you.